Hey you guys, Jacob Hartley here. In this video I wanted to show you some income proof with the Press 1 V card from the day that I started until now. And I just wanted to pull back the curtain, let you take a peek inside to see what is possible when you get on this program. So let me go ahead and pull that up here. I'm going to pull up my website here. So if I go to press1vcardsite.com, it's going to bring me to my web page here, and I'm going to click on member login to log in, and I put in my username and password. By default it's already there because I've saved it. I'm going to click on I'm not a robot, and then I'm going to click on log in, and that brings me back to my back office here. And if I scroll down to where my downline is, it shows right here. I'm going to go ahead and blur this out. These are some of the signups, some of the members that I've had sign up just to kind of protect their identities. They probably don't want their information out there. But I'm going to click on download CSV file. So I'm going to click save, and I'm going to go ahead and open that up. Okay, now that I have this file open here, you can see here that I've got the signups here. I've gone ahead and blurred out their names just to protect them. But you can see over here on admin fee paid, that's the admin fee, that's the $97. So when people signed up, they pay the admin fee. And then over here under confirmed is the sponsor fee that they've paid. So every commission, every sponsor fee that you receive is $500. That's a $500 commission. So let me scroll down here so we can see how many have signed up. So 54 have signed up since the day I started. So since January 27th until now, I've had 54 signups. So let me pull up a calculator here. So on this calculator, so 54 signups at $500 each, that's $27,000. Now, that does not include the pass-ups. So every person that you sign up, anytime that they get their first sale, that passes up to you. That's another $500 commission that you will get on top of what you've already earned just for signing the person up. And this will continue to grow as these people came on. So all these 54 people, as they get their first sale, those will all pass up to me. So this $27,000 could turn into double that. Those pass-ups that got passed up to me, when they get their first sale, those also get passed to me as well. So that could, and that line never stops, that keeps going. So the more people you personally enroll onto this program, the more success that you're going to have. It creates a new pay line. I do have a video that covers the compensation plan. I'll leave that below this video in the description so you can check that video out. But just know that there is a lot of potential income here, and it is a phenomenal program that absolutely works. It's very simple. It's easy. Anybody can do it. You don't have to have any prior experience. It was designed that way so that anybody with just a computer or a cell phone and an internet connection can jump on this program and start having success. I do have a training that walks you through step by step to show you exactly what I did to make these sales. And you will get that training right after you sign up with me. I will email you the link to it so that you have it and you can start duplicating what I've done. I show you in that training how to set up your payment buttons, how to set up a sales funnel, how to advertise, and how to get this out in front of people where they can see it so that they can sign up with you. So you will start earning those $500 commissions. And you guys, this is a very, very cool program, awesome technology. I actually helped out in the development of this technology to make it work. And we knew that it had to be something very simple, easy to use, that actually works. So you guys, go ahead and get yourself signed up. You can go to www.press1vcardsite.com. That will put you with me. I'll also leave the link down below this video in the description where you can click on it to sign up for this program and start making money. You guys, this is a one-time fee, but you can sell this as many times as you want. There's no monthly fees on this program. It's just a one-time deal, but it's a good way to get yourself a business that you can do from home or do from anywhere you are in the world. As long as you have an internet connection, you can do this from anywhere. So I appreciate you. I look forward to working with you. So go ahead and get yourself signed up. Click on that link down below in the description of the video, and I'll see you on the inside. Have a great day.